everyone. My name is Rahul Lasku and my qualification is BTech PYT Kanpur. So this question is the question of a wave. The question says that a string of length 1 meter, mass equals to 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 kg is under tension T. When string vibrates, two successive harmonics are to be found. Means in these questions string has tension T. For only one condition string has tension T, when string are fixed at both ends. Okay. Only one condition tension will be created when string are fixed at both ends. Okay, means both ends are the fixed. Then if both ends of the string is fixed, then frequency which will be equals to F equals to nth harmonic. Then frequency for nth harmonic which will be equals to n into V by 2L. This is the frequency for nth harmonic. Okay, nth means the number of loops. Let us suppose nth harmonic frequency. If number of a loop is equals to 3, then that is the third harmonic frequency. 3 into V upon L, V upon 2L. N means number of loops, or we can say nth harmonic. Means if we need the third harmonic, then that is the F3 equal to 3 into V by 2L. If we need the fourth harmonic, then we can say F4 equal to 4 into V by 2L. Then number of loops equals to the 4. Okay. In that you can say the length of this loop which will be equals. But in figure cannot current figure these length must be equals to. Okay. So imply that we can say nth harmonic for the this spin, this string which will be equals to n into V by 2L. V is the speed of a wave. In string. Speed of a wave in string. And L is the total number of a length. Okay, total number of a length which will be equals to the L. This L equals to the fixed distance between these 2 points. Okay. And that you can say V equals to the. Also we can say V equal to the root of T by mu. Means T is the tension in the string. And mu is the mass per unit length. This is the mu. Okay. V, speed of a wave in string which will be equals to root of T by mu. T is the tension in the string, mu is the mass per unit length. What is the mass per unit length? We can say mass per unit length equals to that. Mu equal to total mass upon total length. Total mass upon total length of the string. In these questions, mu is the mass per unit length of a string. Means if length of the string which will be equals to the L. If length of the string, let us suppose total length of the string is here. If length of the string which will be equals to the L, and if mass is distributed in the uniform, means mass is distributed in same cross section area. Because you can say total mass upon total length is the mass per unit length, and T is the tension in the string. Okay, T is the tension in the string. In that you can say in these questions the condition is the given. The string vibrate two successive harmonics are found to be occur at frequencies. Two successive harmonic means any two harmonic will be given. Means two successive harmonic are created. These value which will be equal to 750 and 1000 Hz. But this is not a given, that is the fifth harmonic, or this is the sixth harmonic. 100 harmonic or or you can say 101 harmonic, 1000 harmonic, or we can say 1001 harmonic. This is not a given conditions, okay? But we have to need the harmonic, which is the first harmonic and which is the next harmonic, because in this question there are the two successive harmonic are given. Means two successive harmonic means if first harmonic is the 4, then next harmonic will be the 5. Next harmonic will be the 5. If this is the 10th harmonic, then this is the 11th harmonic. If this is the 1 to 5 harmonic, then this is the 1 to 6 harmonics. There the two consecutive harmonic are the given. Okay. So in this questions, this is the not given exact harmonic frequency is what is given, but this is the given condition. आपका two successive harmonic are the given. Then you can say that is the first harmonic. Let us suppose the nth harmonic, and next is the n plus 1th harmonic. Two successive harmonic, nth harmonic, n plus 1th harmonic. Okay. So let us suppose we assume the nth harmonic which will be equals to the nth harmonic which will be equals to the 750, and plus 1th harmonic which will be equal to the 1000 harmonic. This is the ratio. Let us suppose we are trying to find out the ratio. Okay, Fn upon Fn plus 1. Fn is the nth harmonic of this frequency, nth harmonic of this आपका waves, of this आपका string. So nth harmonic of this string which will be equal to n into v by 2l. N is the आपका nth harmonic, v is the speed of a wave in string which will be equal to root of a t by mu, and l is the total length. Okay. So also you can say this is the Fn. Fn equal to n times of a v by 2l. Okay, n times of a v by 2l divided by Fn plus 1. Means in place of a n we can put the n plus 1 v by 2l, which will be equals to the 750 divided by 1000. Okay, 1000 is cancelled here. V upon 2l, v by 2l also cancel here. V by 2l, this is the n, this is the n plus 1. So that number we can say n divided by n plus 1, which will be equals to the 75 divided by 100. So you can cancel out 75 divided by 100. So this is the 25. 25 3 जा 25 75 25 3 जा 75 25 4 3 by 4. This number equal to the 3 by 4. Okay. Cross multiplication. Then after the cross multiplication, how much value will be found out? 4n equal to 3 times of n plus 3. This is the n equal to the 3, because 4n minus 3n equal to n, so n equal to the 3. So this is the first frequency which will be equal to the third frequency is the given, third harmonic. This is the fourth harmonic. Okay, this is the third harmonic, this is the fourth harmonic. But in these questions, the value of the tension T is, find out the value of the tension T. In these questions, we have to need the value of the tension T of the strings. Okay. So this question is the advanced 20 questions. So value of the tension, we know that F3 or we can say F4. F4 equals to the, what will be F4? F4 equal to n v by 2l. N means v, n means 4 v. Let's suppose v. So in place of a v, we can put the root of a t by mu. N v by 2l, 2 into l. L means that length equal to the 1 meter. That is the 1 meter equals to the F4 equal to the n v by 2l. N equal to the 4. In these questions, if we take the frequency equal to the 1000, we are taking the frequency equal to the 1000. Then in place of a n, we can put the n equal to the 4. If we take the 750 frequency, then n equal to the 3. Okay. But in these questions, we are taking the 1000 value frequency. So in place of a n, we can put the number of a equal to 4. So that number equals to the n v by 2l. L equal to the 1 meter. Okay, this is in the kg. Okay, so these two number cancel out. So these two also we can cancel out. This is the number 500. This is the 2 and this is the 2 5 the 10. So 500. Next point, root of t by mu, and mu equal to the what value of mu? Total mass upon total length. Okay, total mass equal to the in MK system 2 into 10 raised to minus 5, and total length equal to the 1. Okay, so this number equal to the mu. So in place of a mu, we can put here the value of a mu. Okay, value of a mu equal to, if we square both sides, so that number equal to the 500 into 500. So in place of a mu, we can sit right here. So we have to need the tension T. So T equal to the 500 into 500 into mu. Mu means 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, 10 raised to minus 5. This is the 5 and 10, 0. So 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4 means there is the 4 0 will be created. So this is the 0. This is the 10 raised to minus 5. So 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 1. And parallel we can say this is the 5, this is the 5, 25. 25 into 2 or into 10 raised to minus 1. 25 into 2, which will be equal to 50. 50 into 10 raised to minus 1, which will be equal to the 5. This is the 5 Newton. So tension T equals to the 5 Newton. Hello everyone. This question is also a Doppler effect questions. This question is the advanced 2018. This question is the advanced 2018. Question says that the two men walking along a horizontal straight line in same directions. Two men walking along the same horizontal direction in straight. Let us suppose first man and second man. The man in front of the speed 1 meter per second, and behind आपका works at the speed 2 meter per second. A man is with speed just 1 meter per second, and behind this man with the speed is 2 meter per second. Okay, a third man is standing 12 meter above. A third man is standing 10 meter above. A third man is standing 10 meter above in same horizontal line. Okay, in same horizontal line, and that is the given conditions. 1 minute. A third man is standing 12 meter above the same horizontal line such that all three are in vertical plane. Okay, the two men walking are blowing at the vessel which emit a sound of frequency itna. Okay, and the two men, let us suppose first man, this is the, let us suppose S1, and this is the S2. Okay, a third man is the stationary. Let us suppose a third man is this situations. Okay, third man is here. This third man are in stationary, are in rest. Let us suppose this is the observer. Okay, 12 meter above, 12 meter above. This height is equals to the 12. S1, S2 and O. Okay. Same directions, and this is the condition is given. This is the vertical plane. Vertical plane. All three mains are in vertical plane. All the three mains are in vertical plane. This is the vertical plane. This is the line. Let us suppose first source, second source, a third main, which is the equidistance. This is the further that point is the given. This is the equidistance. Okay. After few minutes, means I will telling you. This is the midpoint of S1 and S2. The third main is sit at midpoint of S1 and S2, which are at the distance 12 meter above. This is the 12 meter distance. Then third main are act as a observer, but this is are in rest. In the given condition, this is are in the rest. Okay. This is are in the rest. Okay. And just after two walking men blowing the identical vessel. Two walking men. This is the walking man. This is the rest. Condition is given. Okay. And also you can say emit the sound of the frequency 1430. This is the emitting frequency. The emitting frequency which will be equals to the F naught. This is the F naught, and F naught equal to the 1430 Hz. This is the condition is the given. 1430 Hz. Okay. The speed of the sound in air. Okay. The speed of the sound in air which will be equal to the 330 meter per second. Okay. At the stand, when man moving 10 meter apart. Important point. The stationary man 10 meter apart. At that instant, when men are situated 10 meter apart. When the distance between S1 and S2, because both are the moving in the same directions in the same line, if at that instant when distance between these two mans which will be equals to 10 meter, if this distance equals to the 10 meter, in this question is the given, and equidistance from the third man. Equidistance from the third man means at that instant the man at situations at the midpoint. Okay, so this is the midpoint. This is the given point. In practice, you can say if this is the 10 meter and this is the 5 meter, also this is the 5 meter, also this is the 5 meter. The stationary men are equidistant from them. The frequency of beats in hertz means the frequency of beats in hertz by stationary man at that instant. This is the stationary man. The frequency beats. Okay. If the sound is here, man is here, vessel is start here, vessel is start here. Okay. Frequency will be same F0 and F0. If this frequency at this instant, then there is the frequency is going is that situations. Also frequency is going at that situations. Okay. So if apparent frequency by the rest man at O point, let us suppose this is the F1, also this is the apparent frequency by the O and through the S2, let us suppose that is the S2. But we have to need the beats frequency. Beats frequency is what? This is the F1 difference F2. All condition will be given. So this question advanced 2018. We have to need the beat frequency. At that instant, we have to need the beat frequency. Beat frequency means F1 difference F2. We have to need the beat frequency. FB equal to the F1 difference F2, or we can say F1 minus F2 mod. Okay. This is the beat frequency by the O, rest observer. Okay. Now we are trying to find out the frequency. We know that the frequency of formula is what? This is the apparent frequency f prime equal to the f naught into C minus VO divided by C minus Vs. Listen carefully. That is the C. C is the what? Speed of a sound in air. Speed of a sound. Let suppose this is the sound, means this is the observer. Sorry, this is the source. Source is here. This concept is a very important concept. Apparent frequency listened by the observer, okay, through the source. If frequency of source is the f naught, if frequency of source is the f naught, and this is the observer, let us suppose this is the observer is here, this is the observer, so imply that this is the f prime is here, this is the apparent frequency. We see the speed of light, okay, v naught is the speed of the observer, and vs is the speed of the source. Speed of observer and speed of source. This is the speed of source. Okay. But we have two important concepts for plus V naught or minus V naught, plus Vs or minus Vs. This is important point. Taken positive directions always from source to observer. Always from source to observer. This is the condition for the V naught and Vs, because V naught and Vs may be positive or may be negative. This is the decided factor. This is the always taken from source to observer. Then we can deciding factor apparent frequency equal to f naught into C minus V naught upon C minus Vs. This is the speed of a sound. Okay. In that we can say, and we have to need the velocity line joining from source to observer, and we are taking a positive from source to observer. Okay. Firstly, we have to find out the apparent frequency by the observer through the source S1. Through the source S1. Okay. So F1 equals to, let us suppose F1 equal to the, let apparent frequency equals to the F naught. This is the source and this is the observer. Concept is here. We have to draw the line joining from source to observer. This is the source, this is the observer. There are the two sources, one observer, so two frequency will be created. So bit frequency equal to f1 difference f2. Imply that s1 and s2. So this is the source and this is the observer. So this is the source to observer taken as the positive. Okay. This is the f1. So velocity is going on the right hand side 2 meter per second. Okay, but this is we have to need the component. Okay, so required component is this directions. So let us suppose this is the angle theta. Imply that if this is the 2 meter per second along the right hand side, so this is the along the from source to observer 2 into cos of theta. But in this question, at this instant, we have to find out the beat frequency when 10 meter apart, means that the equidistance from the man. So this is the 5 meter, and that we can say if this is the angle theta, and also this is the given point 12 meter, and this is the 5 meter. So by Pythagoras theorem, root of base square plus perpendicular square, which will be equals to the 13. Root of 12 square equal to 144 plus 25. So this is the 13 meter. Okay, this is the 13 meter. Also you can say this is the 5, this is the 12, so this is the also you can say 13 meter. This distance equal to 13 meter. So 2 into cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base is the 5 and hypotenuse is the 13. Okay, hypotenuse is the 13. So this is the from source to observer, and velocity of observer which will be equal to 0. In this question the given conditions. Right here, f naught into c is the speed of a sound. Speed of a sound is given that number. Right here last, so you can say c minus velocity of the observer. Velocity of observer in the rest imply that v naught equal to 0 divided by c minus vs. Vs means source velocity. Source velocity from the component from source to observer, which will be equal to 2 into 5 divided by 30 equal to 10 upon 30. So this will be 10 upon 30. Okay, 10 upon 30. So this 0 will be removed here. From source to observer, this is the component from source to observer. This is the positive. So no effect. We put the Vs in positive plus Vs, because this is the from source to observer is taken as the positive. No problem. Okay. So this is the first condition is here, and second conditions. F2. F2 equal to the F0 into C minus V0 divided by C minus Vs. Okay. V0 means velocity of the observer, which will be equal to the 0, divided by velocity of source. Velocity of source is given. So velocity of source is what? So this is the 1 meter per second. This angle equals to theta. Imply that this is the angle theta. This is the angle theta. 1 meter per second. This is the angle theta. So this is the 1 into cos of theta. Same. 5 and 13 and 12. So cos theta equals to the 5 by 13. So 1 into 5 by 13 equal to 5 by 13. So this is the 5 by 13. But we have to take in source to observer, which will be equals to the positive. This is the positive direction. Source to observer, positive directions. But in these questions, the velocity of the S2 source, which is opposite to the positive. So implies that this is the 0, no problem. Velocity of observer, which will be equal to 0, no problem. But velocity of source, which is opposite to the positive direction. So minus plus Vs is not minus Vs. Vs equal to 1 into cos of a theta. So right here, this is the 1 into cos of a theta. 1 into cos of a theta, cos theta equal to 5 by 13. Right here, 5 by 13. Okay. So minus 5 by 13. Not a plus, minus, because this is the opposite to the positive. Okay. Need source to observer. Source is here, observer is here. Source is here, observer here. So this is the positive directions. So right here, negative to negative, which will be equals to the positive. This is the plus, and we are trying to simplify. Simplify. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So according to equation number 2, we are trying to find out here. This will be the F1. Let us suppose F1 minus F2 equals to the F1 minus F2. Okay. So in first equations, if we take in common C common in denominator. So F0 divided by C common. 1 minus 10 divided by 13 into C. Okay. This is the power 1. Okay. If one power goes into the numerator, so you can say 1 minus 10 by 13 into C raised to minus 1. Also you can say this goes in numerator, C common. So this C will be cancelled out. This is 1, C common. So this is the number C. And that is, you can say this is the 1 plus, right here, 1 plus 5 divided by 13 into C. 1 plus 5 divided by 13 into C. So this is the in denominator. So this is in minus 1. Okay. So this is in the minus 1. 1 minus that number or 1 minus that number. See, this is the in the denominator. Okay. 10 by 13 C. C equals to the, we know that C equal to 330 meter per second. Okay. So 10 divided by 13 is 330. So this number is the very less quantity compared to 1. Because C equal to 330 meter per second. So 10 upon 13, 330 meter per second. So this quantity is the very less compared to 1. Okay. So by binomial expansion, 1 plus x raised to n. If x is the very less quantity, and that we can say 1 plus n into x. So this n goes to the coefficient of n. This is the mathematics part in binomial expansion. Okay. If x is the very less quantity, so 1 plus very less quantity power n equal to 1 plus n into x. So that number equal to f0 into that number. So equal to the, and so fb, beat frequency equal to, let's suppose this is the f0. So f0 into 1 plus 10 divided by 13 into C. Okay. Minus F2. F2 means this is the F0 into this is the minus 1. So 1 plus x raised to minus 1. Same that condition will be applied here. This is the value C. Okay. So this is the value C. Also write here 5 upon 13 C. So 5 upon 13 C varies least quantity compared to 1. So same binomial expansion will be applied. Minus 1 goes to the in that expansion. So that minus 1 is goes to here. And that you can say 1 minus F by 13 into C. Okay. F naught you can take here. F naught you can common here. So F naught in this situation common. So minus here, minus, this is the minus 1, this is the plus 1. So this is the minus minus plus. And that you can say 10 upon 13C plus 5 upon 13C. Okay. So FB equal to the 10 upon 13C plus 5 upon 13C. That will be equal to the 15 upon 13 into C. Right here 15 divided by 13 into C. C is what? C is the value 1 minute. This is the beat frequency F naught. Okay. So this is the 330 beat frequency F naught. F naught equal to the 1430. This is the given quantity F naught. Okay. This is the F naught. F naught. So you can cancel here. This is the 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 1 ja 13. This is the 0. Okay. So 0 is here. So 11 3 ja 33. So this is the 3. 3 5 ja 15. So this is the 5 Hz. This is the beat frequency observer by that observer. appears by that observer. Okay. बट इस क्वेश्चन में आप ये कहोगे ये वेलोसिटी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड है, ये 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड है. देखो यदि ये आपका जो ये आपके इस पे जो इसका जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है, ये जो पार्टिकल है वेव्स की, जो ये ए से जो S1 से O तक जाएगा, तो आप ये बोलोगे S1 से O तक जाएगा तब तक ये आपका पार्टिकल तब तक ये S1 आपका आगे बढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, हम लोग ये एज्यूम करके चलते हैं ये आपका जस्ट आपका बहुत ही कम समय में जो S1 से O तक का टाइम है बहुत ही कम समय में जाता है. तुरंत आपका जैसे ही वेसल आपका मतलब वेसल आपको देगा तुरंत आपको इसको सुनाई देगा. तो ऐसा नहीं कि ये आगे बढ़ जाएगा तो ये आपका आगे बढ़ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं. ऐसा हम लोग एजम्पशन ये है कि ये आगे नहीं बढ़ पाता है, ये तुरंत आपका यहाँ पे पहुंच जाता है. ऐसा एजम्पशन करके तब हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. तो वैसे हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. एजम्पशन हम लोग यही हम लोग काउंट करेंगे. ओके. So this question is the advanced 2018 questions. Advanced 2018 questions. This is the Doppler effect concept. Important concept. Doppler effect concept.